quickly come on the let me share my screen. Now, to start with your mobile app walkthrough, first I'm going to cover your how to set up your account. Let me share my mobile screen once again. Yes. So first thing, to start with it, अगर आप डेरिवेटिव में काम करना चाहते हो, if you want to trade into the futures and options, then you have to activate the derivative segment. अगर आपका अकाउंट ओपनिंग के टाइम पे अगर आपने डेरिवेटिव सेगमेंट एक्टिवेट करवाया है तो यू कैन फाइंड योर एफएनओ प्रिविलेज इज एक्टिव. बट अगर आपका एफएनओ प्रिविलेज एक्टिव नहीं है तो जब भी आप मोबाइल ऐप लॉन्च करते हो, जब भी मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन आप लॉग इन करते हो, तो ऑन राइट हैंड साइड देयर इज अ टॉप हैमबर्गर मेनू. वहां पे आप क्लिक करोगे, then you will be landed on the second page, the second screen, where there is mentioned with FO privileges. You have to enable and you have to follow the steps. अगर आपका बैंक अकाउंट HDFC बैंक या ICICI बैंक या कोटक बैंक, okay, there are total list of 16 banks. अगर वहां पे है तो you no need to upload the bank statement. So your bank statement will be fetched from your bank account and your FNO segment will be activated within a 2 working days. अगर आपका लिस्ट ऑफ बैंक में अगर आपका बैंक नहीं है, then you need to upload either 6-month bank statement or your ITR or your demat holding statement. Then this is how you can activate your derivative segment. Second is, if you want to trade into the MTF segment, then the DDPI is required. Now what is this DDPI? DDPI is basically demat, debit and pledge instruction. तो पहले के टाइम में जब भी कोई भी आप स्टॉक सेल करते थे, then broker need to give this delivery to the exchange. तो वो टाइम पे mechanism is the POA, which is a power of attorney. But now this new mechanism is DDPI, which is demat, debit and pledge instruction. अगर आपका DDPI is enabled, then जब भी आप कोई भी स्टॉक सेल करते हो, then you no need to enter the EDS process. Okay, what is this EDDPI? अगर आपका DDPI एक्टिवेट नहीं है तो एवरी टाइम ड्यूरिंग योर सेल ट्रांजेक्शन आपको एक CDSL की पेज पे जाके यू हैव टू ऑथोराइज, आपको एक टीपिन एंड OTP यू हैव टू एंटर ऑन एवरी डे बेसिस एज एंड व्हेन इफ यू वांट टू सेल द सिक्योरिटी. बट अगर आपका DDPI इज एनेबल, देन ये प्रोसेस आपको करना नहीं पड़ेगा. एवरी टाइम यू कैन सेल योर शेयर इजीली विदाउट एनी OTP. तो फर्स्ट बेनिफिट इज दिस, you can sell your share instantly. Second is unlock your buy stock pay later, which is your MTF facility. आप MTF facility में ट्रेड कर सकते हो अगर आपका DDPI enable है. And third is cashless trading, which means अगर आपके पास existing कोई भी stock है, this stock you can pledge and your pledge holding you can buy additional shares on the MTF. So this 3 facility are enabled once your DDPI is enabled. Now how to activate this DDPI? तो DDPI एक्टिवेट करने के लिए अगर आपका नया अकाउंट है तो आपको एक EDDPI@HDFC सिक्योरिटी से मेल आया होगा and there is a one link. You have to click on this link and you have to submit your Aadhaar and OTP. Once the request is received, your DDPI will be enabled within a 2 working days. अगर आपको मेल नहीं आया, then you can mark the mail on the customer care@HDFC security hdfcsec.com. mentioning your trading ID and your email ID. You will receive one mail along with the link and you have to follow this process. Now quickly let's understand what is the MTF. MTF is basically margin trading facility. Okay, अगर आपके पास 1 लाख रुपए पड़ा हुआ है in your trading account and if you want to buy a share, then डिलीवरी के अंदर आप 1 लाख के सामने 1 लाख का ही शेयर परचेस कर सकते हो. बट अगर यही शेयर अगर आप MTF में परचेस करना चाहते हो, which is margin trading facility, on same 1 lakh you can buy a share for 4 lakh rupees. Now this 3 lakh will be funded by the HDFC securities. Now 1 लाख के सामने मैंने 4 लाख बताया. This is depend on the script to script. So there are list of total 750 scripts are there on which each and every script the margin will be up and down. So maybe it's a 2.5 times also, 3 times also, 4 times also. So this is depend on the script to script. नाउ जो भी आप ये लेवरेज देते हो, 1 लाख के सामने आपने 4 लाख का स्टॉक लिया, तो दिस 3 लाख इज लेवरेज फ्रॉम द HDFC सिक्योरिटी. ऑन दैट यू हैव टू पे अ इंटरेस्ट ऑफ 18%, 18%, विच इज मंथली अगर मैं बोलने जाऊं तो विच इज 1.5%. यानी 1 लाख के अमाउंट पे यू हैव टू पे इंटरेस्ट ऑफ 1500 रुपीज फॉर द मंथ. जो भी आपने ये होल्डिंग लिया है, which you can carry up to 275 वर्किंग डेज. आप 275 दिन तक ये पोजीशन कैरी कर सकते हो. थर्ड थिंग, यू कैन एनहांस योर परचेसिंग पावर. अगर आपके पास कोई भी एग्जिस्टिंग स्टॉक अवेलेबल है इन योर डीमैट अकाउंट, that you can pledge, and on your pledge stock you can buy the additional stock. So this is how you can enhance your purchasing power. Yes, there is opportunity of higher return since आप कैश में अगर बाय करते हो तो आप 1 लाख के सामने 1 लाख का स्टॉक बाय कर सकते हैं. द सेम थिंग which you can buy in MTF up to 4 lakhs. So there is a higher profitability, higher chances of the return. The flexibility of the repayment, which means अगर आपने 1 लाख के सामने जो भी 4 लाख का स्टॉक लिया है, this 3 lakh will be leveraged by the HDFC security. अगर आप any given point of time if you want to pay, अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट पे नहीं करना, then you can convert your share from MTF to delivery. So there is a flexibility of repayment also. So this is overall about your account setup. So you can activate this DDPI also, and you can activate the derivative segment also. I will also show you live on mobile app. Let me share my mobile screen. Yes. The first thing, you have to download a mobile app from the App Store or your Play Store, which is HDFC Security Invest Right. Once you download it, the session will be only for 35 minutes. Okay. So this is a mobile screen. For login, first of all, आपका जो भी login ID आपको मेल आया होगा, on that ID you have to log in the mobile app. Once you log in, so this is the first landing page. Now this is a dashboard page. First I will show you this derivative wala things. On right hand side there is a hamburger menu. Once I click, I am able to view this derivative privilege. If I want to activate, I have to click on enable. I will be landed on this page. I have to select my income range and the bank statement via OTP. तो अगर आपका बैंक अकाउंट ये कोई भी बैंक अकाउंट में है, then you no need to upload a bank statement. The bank statement will be fetched automatically from your bank. अगर आपका लिस्ट ऑफ बैंक में अगर आपका बैंक नहीं है, then you can manually upload the documents. So this all are the list of documents. The derivative segment. Second thing which I want to show, the profile section. Once I click on the profile, I can check my email ID, mobile number, all basic details. If I want to update anything, then there is a edit KYC option is also available, that you can edit your mobile number or email ID. The setting option. Under the setting option, you can reset your PIN, even you can enable the biometric. And also there is a preferences. As and when जब भी आप मोबाइल ऐप लॉगिन करते हो, आपको कौन से पेज पे डायरेक्टली लैंड होना है, that also you can select. You can also customize your dashboard. Whatever things you want आप up and down कर सकते हो. There is a general order setting. On the top of corner, there is a Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex. What all indexes you want, that also you can select from here. And there is a order panel. तो आप जब भी order करना चाहते हो, तो on which segment you want to buy, at what product type you want to buy, you want to buy into delivery, या intraday or e-margin, that also you can select. Also you can select the by default quantity. तो जब भी next time आप order करोगे, you no need to select every time all things. It will be automatically default will be saved. Now I will show you the overall dashboard. So this is first landing page, and where all the details, all the required details are available. On the first of top of the corner, there is a Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex, all indices are there. If you click, so अगर आप derivative trader हो या options trader हो, then you no need to find the option chain again and again. Directly click on the indices, the option chain will be already there from where you can place the order. Okay. The second section is a spotlight section. So whatever the latest things, what is the latest developments which are displayed over here. Third thing is what's on your mind section. तो वहां से आप चेक कर सकते हो IPO. The first thing is IPO. If you want to place an IPO order, you can directly place it from here. You have to click on apply. Now there is a two option, UPI and ASBA. So अगर आपका DDPI is enabled, then you can place an order via ASBA. So your fund will be automatically hold from your HDFC bank account. अगर आपका DDPI enable नहीं है, okay, and otherwise अगर आपका non HDFC bank account है, then you can select this UPI option. You have to enter your UPI. You can apply for the IPO. You can also check the order book of the IPO. The second section is the basket investing. So this is a small cash thing. All the ready-made baskets are available. So this is somewhat 2081, which is our Diwali fix. On a single click, you can buy all our Diwali stocks. Once you click on this basket investing, you will be landed on the small cash page, and you can also check what all stocks are there, and I can invest in a single click. The weightage is also mentioned. So whatever the fund, if I want to purchase a 1 lakh rupees of share, so there is a 10% in each of the stock will be invested. So there are many free baskets are there and many paid baskets are there. And also the theme and all details are already mentioned over there. So you can check and you can also take the decision. There is a mutual fund section is there, where you can check all the mutual funds. All the mutual fund recommendation is also there. Also, you can explore the fund via category, which is large cap, mid cap, small cap, debt fund. On a single click, you can explore all the funds. Also, you can filter out via your return, 5 years return, 3 years return. You can also sort it down and you can purchase a mutual fund also. If I click on this, then there is a purchase order or the SIP. If you want to purchase a lump sum, then you have to click on the purchase and you have to enter the amount and click the order. And if you want to do the SIP, then you have to click on the SIP and you have to select the date and everything. Okay. The third section is the research. Okay, the research, you can click on the bottom of the page. There is a research section. In fact, you can also select the research. So this is our research page where you can explore equity, derivative, and mutual fund research. Once you click on the equity, then all fundamental calls are there, all technical calls are there, all trading calls are there. The trading calls are generally the futures, options, even the intraday picks are there. These are the technical picks. Even the technical picks, there is a mention, if there is a call of the MTF, then the MTF tagging is also there. Also, you can click on the detail. You can explore what is the target, stop loss, what is the time horizon. In fact, enter input is also there. What is the reason behind the purchasing this stock? That is also mentioned. So this is how you can explore our research section and you can take a decision as per your risk appetite. Then the next section is your MTF. So this is entire new section of the MTF where you can check your eligible stocks. So there are roughly 792 stocks are available into MTF. You can explore all the stocks. Also, you can check how much funding is available in particular stock and you can buy it directly from here. Okay, second is your margin calculator. Okay, you can check the margin. Let's say if I want to buy a IT sheet and the 100 quantity, you can check. Then as a user, you have to pay 13,000, thus 34,000 will be funded by the HDFC security. So the same stock, if you buy into the delivery, you have to pay entire 47,510 rupees. And same stock, if you want to buy into the MTF, then you have to pay only 13,302 rupees. Then all the recommended stock into MTF, that also you can explore. Even you can explore our MTF position. You can also check this all stock I have purchased into the MTF. Also, you can check for all the stocks, whatever the amount I have paid, what the amount is funded by the HDFC security, and what is my total investment value. Okay. Next section is a superstar portfolio. Once I click on the superstar portfolio, here you can find the portfolio of all the famous personality and the individual investor. Let's say if you want to explore a Rakesh Jhunjhunwala portfolio, you can explore what all things Rakesh Jhunjhunwala are currently holding. What all things are increasing last quarter, what all stocks is a decrease in his portfolio in the last quarter. So all the famous personality portfolios are readily available. In fact, the FII portfolios are available. In institutional investor portfolios are also available that you can explore and you can do it. The next section is the expert recommendation again. The latest recommendation you can find it from here. These are the market movers, which means your top gainer, loser, your futures and option price base, volume base. You can explore all things from this section. This is a FII and DI activity. You can explore FII and DI activity. There is a bulk deal and block deal section is also there. Advanced screener. So there are roughly 200 advanced screeners are available both for equity and derivatives. You can explore all the screeners. That's the shareholding pattern. So I can also explore the FIA holding quarter on quarter. I can check this holding for the FIIs. Same way, I can also check a promoter holding where the promoter reduced the holding, promoter percentage above 60%. I can explore all the stocks where the promoter holding is more than 60%. You can explore all the screeners. These are the basket investment ideas. There is an event section. So result or bonus dates are there. And the market top news. So all the possible detail, all the required detail on the daily basis, this all things are available on the dashboard page itself. Section is the watch list. In watch list, there is an explore section. So there are ready-made watch lists are available. If you want to check, let's say technology stocks, so there is all technology stocks are available on a single click. If you want to check a Nifty 50 stocks, a BSC Sensex stocks, a pharma stocks, 52-week high, 52-week low, so there are ready-made watch lists are there. In fact, you can create your own watch list. On the right-hand side top, there is a search panel and you can add a stock by clicking just on the save button. This TCS will be added in my portfolio, in my watch list. Okay, there is a TCS. Also on the watch list, the holding tagging is there. You can check the bag is there and the quantity is also mentioned, which is 1. Also, you can check the stocks are into the losers or gainer. What if there is any event that also in this, let's say ONGC, there is an event. Once I click, I can check which is in top gainer. There is a dividend of 6 rupees. Okay, so if there is an event that also you can check. If the stock is recommended by HDFC Securities, then this batch icon is there. Let's say in Reliance. So there is a buy recommendation from the HDFC Securities. That's why there is a batch. So you can find all the taggings. The next section is the portfolio, from where you can check your entire portfolio, what all stocks are available and what is your gain or loss. This is entire your demat holding, from where you can check what all stocks are available in your demat account. And the third section is what all stocks you have purchased into the MTF. So there is a three section. One is your MTF, second is your demat, and third is your overall portfolio. From portfolio section, you can check all your stock which is are in demat, MTF, or your pledge holding. Now, if you want to pledge any share, then you have to click demat. And let's say if I want to pledge this Bank of Baroda, I have to click on the pledge, and I have to enter the quantity. Let's say one quantity, and I have to select on the hold. Then this request is taken, and I will get the limits on my this Bank of Baroda holding on instant basis. So this is how you can pledge your holding and take the additional leverage. The same way, if I want to release, then I have to select the pledge, and I have to select the quantity, and I have to click the release. So this is how you can pledge your holding and release your holding. Same way in MTF. So this is my MTF holding, and let's say I don't want to pay the interest. Then I can convert this share from MTF to delivery. This is how you can convert. Let's say if I click on the Canara Bank, then there is an option to convert to delivery. I have to enter the quantity and I have to submit. Then this share will be converted from MTF to delivery, and my interest will be stopped. Now, let me place one order. Let's say if I want to buy a Canara Bank, there is a network disturbance is there. Okay, so let's say if I want to buy Canara Bank, I have to click on the buy. Then first thing I have to select the action, which is NSE or BSE. There is a product type. So if I want to buy a share into the delivery, then I have to select the cash. If I want to buy a share for the intraday, which is up to 320, then I have to select this intraday option. On 320, my position will be auto square up. And if I want to buy share into the E-margin, then I have to select the E-margin. So you can also check what is the margin is required. So for cash segment, I have to pay entire 103 rupees, while in MTF, I have to pay only 36 rupees. You can also check on the bottom of the page, there is a MTF tick is there. Okay. The MTF tick is there. You can check what is the margin required for the MTF. Let's say if I want to buy this share into the cash segment, then I have to select the cash and just hit buy, confirm buy. The fund will be held from my HDFC bank. And yes, my order is done. I can check my order from this order file, the one quantity I have purchased. Also, you can check your all open orders, closed orders, GTD orders, toxic orders. Same way, there is a position section is there. So all your today's position, in fact, your future and option position, you can check it from here. And this is your mutual fund order book, where you can check all your SIP and lump sum orders. Also, if you want to place, let's say a stock SIP order. Now, what is this stock SIP? It's just like mutual fund SIP. Mutual fund में जैसे आप SIP करते हो, in same way, you can do the stock SIP. You have to select the quantity and you have to select the frequency, whether it's daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly. That also you can select. You have to create one basket. I want to purchase a quantity, let's say one quantity on daily basis for the 6 month, and my start date, let's say from the 20th of November, I have to select the next and add. Then on every 20th of the month, one quantity will be added. From the 20th of November, every day there is a one quantity will be added in my portfolio. So this is how I can place a toxic order. And same way, if you want to place a GTT order, which is full still triggered, okay, full still date. So you have to select the quantity and price, and let's say the same NTPC, if I want to buy at 350 rupees, and let's say if there is a 21 December तक जब भी मेरा ये 350 rupees आएगा, then the NTPC will be buy. So this is how I can place a GTD order also. Also, I can set the alerts. So if you want to set the alerts, let's say a price, if let's say the price will come 250 rupees, then the alert will be triggered. So this is how you can set the alert also. So this is overall demo for the mobile app. Let's say if you want to place a order through your web trading platform, I will show you the web trading platform also quickly. So for that, you have to log in this HDFCsec.com. On the right hand side top, there is a login window is there. You have to enter your login ID. OTP will be received on my mobile number. So from here also, you can place a buy order or a sell order also. Also, or your statements, likewise your PNL, your capital gain. Let's see if I click on the PNL, I can explore entire my PNL. You can download also, you can export to Excel or a PDF. If you want the asset type, let's see if I want to only check for equity, mutual fund, derivative, that also with charge, without charge, that option is also available. The same way, you can also explore your capital gain, where you can check your what is your speculative, short term, long term. Also, all other reports like your contract note, ledgers, your MTF interest report, all the reports are available over here. You can also check your mutual fund reports also from the mutual fund section. Also, you can place the IP order from this window. So this is overall about this web trading platform. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can share in this chat box. I will be happy to answer all your queries.
So if you have any questions, please drop in the chat box. Okay, we have this question. One question is this webinar. See, in this webinar, we try to cover not only the app, but also the web. Okay. And overall, we try to cover about how useful HDFC security app is, and how useful the web trading platform is, and how it will help you to navigate. Do we have any other questions? Okay, thank you so much for the webinar.